Today's video, guys, let me take you to the city, and we call it Dumaguete City. This island is the name of the island is Negros Oriental. This is where I live. This is where I was born. My family lives in this island. This is a beautiful island, and also way of transportation. They are using multi-cab, bus, and rickshaw, like pedicab, and three-wheel pedicab, and what is this? Mainly people drives with motorbike or scooter. So as you can see, both sides there's the beautiful sceneries, big trees along the way, along the highway. And ahead of us, as you can see, there's a group of motorbikes as well. So people prefer to drive with motorbikes. So as you can see, guys, it's pretty beautiful. And as you know, in Philippines we have many islands. And during low tide we have 7,107, and during high tide we have 7,100. Of Negros Oriental. This is, we call it Cibola Negros Oriental. So now after this, it's gonna be the city. So it's just like 20 minutes drive from my place. So look at this nice blue clear sky. So by the way, guys, here in Philippines, all our wirings, electrical wirings, always on the top. Unlike in Dubai, everything's underground. So now I'm almost reaching in the city. So as you can see, that's my husband's driving the motorbike. We are using my dad's motorbike. So this is also this in front of us, this small multi-cab. This is also public transportation. It's quite small, like only 12 people can be inside only. So now this is the city. So finally we have reached to the city. So as you can see, majority are driving motorbikes. So this blue building, this is a university, it's a school. This white building is a school, university, where soon my sister will going to study. And that's all for today, guys, and soon I'll upload more videos during our holiday here in Philippines. Until then, I hope to see you to our next one. Please stay safe, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.